Hi, and welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about Gmail. You might say, I use Gmail every day. I don't need this. Well, stick around because you might learn something. All right, so let's say you're in your inbox. If you're like me, you get lots of emails every day, but you want to find something. You remember something about it, maybe who sent it, when they sent it. Well, Gmail has lots of search capabilities. So at the top of your inbox, you can just start typing. So if you know a keyword or someone that sent it, you can just start typing. If you want to get more advanced, you can click on this little icon here. It'll open advanced search. So you can search who it was sent from, who it was sent to. Maybe you remember what was in the subject, or it has some keywords, or what it doesn't have. So that can be a powerful search feature as well. Or you can come down here to your date range. Let's say you know it was a month ago, you think it was in August, maybe within a week or a month. So it'll limit your search criteria down to just those emails. You can also look in different folders or labels, or if it has an attachment or not. Now, if you're just looking for a single email, you can click search. It'll go find that email. If you want this as a continual search, you can create a filter. And what a filter does is it can automatically categorize your emails as they come in and put them in certain folders or labels. So Gmail uses the concept of a label. So each email can have multiple labels. So unlike Outlook or some other mail clients where you have folders and an email goes into one folder, in Gmail you can have multiple labels associated with an email. So I want to find everything sent to my secondary email account, my alias, PowerSchool. And I'm going to create a filter. So I want to apply a label. As you can see over here on the left-hand side, I've already created this label. If you want to assign a label, you can do that here, or you can create a new label directly. So I'm just going to assign it to PowerSchool. And I'm going to say skip the inbox so that it doesn't come to my inbox. It'll just show up down here under this label. Okay. Now there's lots of other options here. You can do auto replies. You can categorize it in different ways. I'm going to create this filter. Okay. So you can create lots of different labels to assign to categorize your emails. You can use filters to automatically categorize emails as they come in based on who sent it or keyword criteria in the subject or any number of options. Now, how do you send emails? Let's say you have a certain email that you send out frequently. Well, you can actually create templates that are pre-written emails that you can then apply and customize and send out. Let me show you how to do that. First, you have to turn on the feature. So this little gear icon in the top right, and then all settings. So Gmail hides a lot of different settings. You can customize Gmail a lot. So this is under advanced and templates. So you'll just enable this. Once you save changes, the page will reload, and then you'll have this cool feature. So once you compose an email, it'll come up blank. So you can type out your email however you want, and then come down here to the more options. Do templates. And these are some that I've already created. But once you click on it, it'll drop it right in. And then you can customize it as you need to. Okay. One of the other features I want to show is contacts. So you're typing an email, okay? So you can type, it'll show up as you type. And then if you hover over, it'll show other information that that person has entered or that we have entered for them. So you know who you're emailing. If someone has the same first name, you don't know their last name, maybe you can find it just by hovering over and seeing what their title is or what department they're with. Okay. And the last feature I want to show is scheduled send. So down here next to the send button, there's a little drop down arrow. If you click on that, you can schedule to send your email, but you have to have an email recipient first. So it has some default values here when you can schedule it, or you can pick a date and time for it to go out. I'll say I want to send this tomorrow at 5 p.m. I can hit schedule send. And then that comes down here in this scheduled folder. So I can come back and edit it again before I send it out. So you just hit cancel send, then it goes into your drafts folder and you can edit it and send it again at a later time. So hopefully you found this helpful. There are tons of other customizations you can do for Gmail, so I encourage you to just explore it and maybe you can find something that works for you.